In Python, we have what we call data types. And what are data types? Data types are how the computer is instructed to store any particular data that you want to use in the on the computer. So we have some built-in data types. So example of data types are we have an integer for numbers, and integers are whole numbers. It can be positive, positive or negative number, including zero. So example, we're talking about 1, 20, 12, minus 3, 0, minus 465, 1022, sorry. So this is what we call integer. So any number that doesn't have a decimal after it is called integer in any programming language. And the other one will be float. So floats are numbers with decimal numbers. So numbers with decimal are called floats in programming language. So example will be 102.4, 65 point blah 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 blah, 0.4 minus 68.56. Any number with decimal is called float. Any number with decimal is called float. So people will get asked this a lot in interview. They may ask you what you know about integer. They may ask you what you know about float. So just tell them integer are whole numbers without decimal, and floats are numbers with decimal. Another example of data type is what we call string. String. So string is any character whatsoever. As long as you can type it in, it's a character. But the difference between string and anything is they are contained in in um in quotes. So this is a string. String example. That's for single quotes. It can go in double quotes. This is another example of a string, double quote. And if you have like long string that you want to type in, that may be one, it may be two or more lines. You just go free quotes, then type this is a very long string to this is a very long string. This demonstrates how a long string works in Python, right? So what you have to do after that is just put free quotes after